Should we develop non-human minds smarter than our own? Machines that might one day outnumber us or outsmart us.
Who is the world's first AI software engineer? It's Devin. So this is an awesome new AI tool from Cognition. Devin is like having your own super skilled AI engineer. So what makes it cool? Well, it's super smart. It can write code, make websites and create software, all with just one instruction. Devin isn't here to replace human engineers. Instead, it's here to team up with them, making their jobs easier. It's the first of its kind and can turn a basic command into a working website or software program. Something totally new and impressive. Lately, software engineering has seen some big changes because artificial intelligence is getting more involved in different development tasks, such as automating jobs and making software better. AI helps developers create improved and faster software, which makes it increasingly vital in software engineering. Cognition says, Devin is all about helping human engineers, not taking their place. Devin carefully plans out each step to solve the problem. Then it effortlessly creates an entire project using the same tools as an experienced software engineer. Devin works all by itself, having its own command line, code editor, and even a browser. In this case, Devin decided to use the browser to check out API documentation, so it can learn how to connect with each API smoothly. But when the software hits a block, an unexpected error pops up. That's when it quickly adds a debugging print statement, runs the code again and uses the error log to find and fix the problem. With the bug sorted out, Devin goes on to create and launch a fully styled website, complete with cool visuals. Thanks to big improvements in thinking and planning ahead, we've accomplished amazing things like Devin's ability to problem solve on its own. Even though we're just getting started, the progress we've made is really exciting. If you want to see Devin's skills for yourself and see how it can help you with your tasks, just let us know below and we'll tell Devin. So what exactly is Devin? About 6 months ago, some people were really impressed by the idea of having a worker who could make money all on its own. It got a lot of people thinking about how it could change things, not just for one person, but for everyone around the world. Today, we have the first AI software engineer. What cool things it did to make it fascinating is, it's proven its skill by acing engineering interviews at top AI companies and completing real tasks on platforms like Upwork. It's like a little independent worker, using its tools like Shell, code editor and web browser to tackle engineering problems. The company mentioned that Devin AI is part of SWE Bench Coding Benchmark. It's a dataset with 2,294 software engineering problems taken from real GitHub issues and their solutions. Well, it's not just about suggesting code. It can handle the entire process of making and releasing software applications. Even big language models like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's ChatGPT can't do all that. Devin operates on its own with its own tools like a code editor, command line and browser. It breaks down software tasks into smaller steps and can plan and carry out complex engineering projects that involve lots of decision making. Since it was posted, the post has gotten over 25.9 million views, and the numbers are still going up fast. It's also led to people posting a variety of reactions. One user joked, "RIP me, replaced by a machine before even getting the skills and degree." Another chimed in, "We had a good run, bro. Now it's going to be an AI world." A third user questioned, "I don't understand why developers willingly code the entire industry out of jobs. I understand why companies would want this, but I don't understand why developers are willing to do this and code themselves out and everyone else out of getting good paid jobs." While many weren't pleased with this new innovation, a few expressed excitement over it, just like users who wrote, "Can't wait to get an early access." A fourth user commented, "Okay, that's actually enough AI, thanks." Another user posted, "Would like to get an invite and test it out. Just wow, so many possibilities. I tested a few AI agents in the past, but this is a complete package." Now Devin is rocking on the SWE bench. First off, let's talk about accuracy. Devin is like the MVP here, solving problems with such high success rates that it leaves other models in the dust, whether it's getting help or not. Then there's its independent problem-solving skills. Unlike some other models that need a helping hand from humans, Devin handles things all by itself. Yeah, it's like having a super smart buddy who can think on its feet and plan out tricky tasks. And last but not least, Devin is setting a whole new standard. Its performance is so top-notch that it's pushing the limits of what these models can do in software development. Here's how to use Devin AI. Start by applying for access through Cognition's website or other designated channels. After approval, integrate Devin AI into your existing development process. Clearly explain to Devin what kind of software you want to create and what features it should have. Devin will take over, accessing resources and writing the code for your project independently. Once Devin is done, review the code it generated and make any necessary tweaks. Once you're satisfied, Devin can even help deploy the finished software. How will Devin AI change software development? It will transform how software is made using smart AI coding and reliable automation. Boosted development productivity. The software will handle repetitive tasks like fixing bugs and making basic code, letting human developers focus on the important stuff, like coming up with new ideas and solving tricky problems. With Devin doing the boring jobs, developers will get a lot more done. Quicker products. With Devin, coding tasks will be done faster, meaning companies can respond quickly to new trends and get their products out there sooner. This helps them stay ahead of the competition. Simplified workflow. Imagine a work process where boring tasks are done smoothly by an AI helper. Devin fits right into existing workflows, making them better and getting rid of any problems. This lets developers do what they're best at and work with Devin for greater results. Lower costs. Devin's reliable automation saves money by doing repetitive tasks and making development more efficient. This means companies can spend more on cool features and ideas. Easier access. Devin can help newcomers to coding get started, making software development more open to everyone. With Devin handling the basics, it's easier for new talent to join in and make software better for everyone. With just one command, Devin can write code, fix errors, and even build whole websites. It's like having a coding genius working alone, handling entire projects from start to finish. One fun fact is, it learns from its mistakes, getting better with every task. Instead of trial and error, Devin gets smarter and improves over time. Cherry on the top is, this AI tool has impressed top tech companies in interviews and tackled real tasks on platforms like Upwork. It's skilled at everything from coding to fixing computer vision models. You may have heard of GitHub Copilot, a tool that helps with coding. Well, Devin goes a step further. It not only compiles code bits, but also translates them into different languages. And the best part, Devin can create code from scratch all on its own without any human help. Now, we have a huge mid-journey update for you all. This is what people have to say about Devin. If you've just finished a developer bootcamp and landed a 6-figure job, that's awesome. You might be among the last group to do it that way. Nowadays, large language models like Claude and GPT-4 are writing code. They have some seriously impressive developer skills, and there are many models designed specifically to help with coding tasks. Devin is more than just a helper with code. It's like having a smart AI developer on your team. It can handle tricky engineering tasks, write code, fixing errors, and getting the final product ready to go. It's so smart that it can even teach itself new things. In this video, Devin built a game of life website from scratch using React, made changes when needed, and then put it online for everyone to see. In tests, Devin took on jobs on websites like Upwork and finished them all by itself. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that human software developers are out of the job. We still need them, but companies might start thinking twice about paying big salaries to new developers. So what's your take on this? Do let us know in the comments section, and also don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you later!